Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for December 16 to 31, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description. At sa pinned comment, paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to this channel to show your support, like, share this video, and comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y makaka-resonate. Okay, Aquarius. Let's see energies coming to you December 16 to 31 for Aquarius. So this is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, and blessing. Nako. So you are moving on, Aquarius. So maaring merong major decision na kailangan kang gawin ngayong second half ng December. This can be related to your career, your business, your relationship. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng sa studies ninyo, sa pag-aaral ninyo with the 9th house. This can also mean your plans. If you want, kung gusto mo na mag-abroad or magtrabaho abroad, magbakasyon abroad. What is the Two of Swords? You have the Six of Pentacles. Maaring meron kang kailangang ayusin sa finances mo ngayong second half ng December that will require some sacrifices. Okay? Let's say, kailangan mong makalikom ng malaking pera for a project or for some reasons na meron kang pinaglalaanan. And kailangan mo sigurong magbenta ng mga ibang bagay or gamit para makabuo ka ng pondo, no? Yung iba naman, pwedeng you will try different ways to earn money, no? Iba't ibang paraan para kumita ng pera. Can be anything, so, sa online or meron kang special project for December na business, no, na magge-generate ng income for you. But I think this is going to be successful for you. Matutugunan mo yung needs mo, yung pangangailangan ng mga taong nasa paligid mo, mga mahal mo sa buhay. Your challenge is the Five of Swords. So maaring marami kang kakumpetensya. Yung iba sa inyo sa negosyo, maraming kakumpetensya or kung ano man yung career ninyo, maaring medyo challenging na sumabak sa ganyang trabaho, business, career. And pay attention rin, maging maingat sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo kasi maaring they might show you, no, ipakita nila sa'yo na mabait sila sa'yo or friendly, but actually they are competing, no, nakikipagkompetensya sa'yo. This can be a family member, someone who is close to you. So I think you have to set boundaries, no, and pay attention sa mga red flags na makikita mo na pinaparamdam sa'yo ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Meron kasi ritong I'm seeing someone like a family member or close to you, parang tinuturing mong pamilya, na secretly ay may insecurities or may inggit sa'yo. Okay? So, always cleanse your energy, protect your energies from these people. You have the World card as your opportunity. Merong cycle or chapter sa buhay mo na nagtatapos. And this is successful, no? Yung mga, let's say, meron ka mga projects and it's ending and it's successful, no? Example, yung mga nagpagawa ng bahay. Or, halimbawa, ikaw ay isang contractor. So, yung kontrata patapos na and the contract is successful. So, yung sabihin nun, may opportunity ka na makapagsimula ulit, makapag-isip ng mga bago pang proyekto na gagawin mo. You have the Five of Pentacles. Some of you might struggle with finances, but I think magagawa nyo naman to ng paraan kaagad-agad. Oo. Maaring meron kang, like what I mentioned kanina, no, sa first part ng reading is, you will do some things like make some sacrifices para ma-generate mo yung certain amount of money na kailangan mo, or kung di man money, pwedeng resources to. With the Six of Swords as your blessing, you are moving to a better direction. Okay? Bago matapos ang taon, kumbaga ma-realize mo na, ay, salamat, tapos na rin yung mga challenges, yung mga pagsubok, yung mga inconveniences. So, you have the King of Wands. Yes, you are free. You are, kumbaga para kang dumaan sa traffic, no? Yung traffic, di ba, inconvenient siya. Pero pag nakalagpas ka na doon sa traffic na yon, mabilis na yung arangkada, makakarating ka na sa paroroonan mo, yung mga ganon. So, I see you freeing yourself from a conflict, a difficult situation, and you are focusing now on how to have a more quiet life, no? So, gusto mo ngayon ng mas tahimik na life. Let's see, you are blessed. Yes, claim the blessings coming in sa inyo, Aquarius. You also have time for a nap. So, this is about your sleeping habits. So, pwedeng mas makakatulog kayo ng maayos ngayon. Or, may kayo, time para makapagpahinga. Or, wala masyadong intindihin na problema. You also have clean it up. So, ayun na nga, you are cleansing, you are removing unnecessary things sa buhay mo. So, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng kaya kayo magbebenta ng gamit is to declutter, and at the same time to raise funds, no? Para may magkapera rin, 'di ba? So that is hitting two birds with one stone, na nalinis mo na yung bahay mo, yung lugar mo, and at the same time kumita ka pa ng extra money, 'di ba? Okay, so let's see your money, career, finances. And also pwede rin tong literal na paglilinis ng bahay kasi 'di ba year end. So yan yung ginagawa ng karamihan, naglilinis ng bahay bago matapos ang taon, like general cleaning. So sa money, career, finances, you have unforeseen. So pagdating sa finances talaga, meron kang kailangang paghandaan, iwasan na gumastos ng gumastos. Make sure you have savings, no? Para hindi ka masyadong mamroblema pag merong unexpected financial crisis. Challenge yourself to do what you think you can't. Ayan. Minsan kasi iniisip natin, hindi natin kaya ang isang bagay. Let's say gusto mo mag-business, iniisip mo hindi mo kaya. Pero sa totoo lang, kaya mo naman talaga. Natatakot ka lang or ayaw mo lang mag-take ng risk. So, it's time for you to challenge yourself to be better sa career mo, sa business mo, at para sa mga pangarap mo. Okay? And then, even sa pagsasave ng money, minsan kasi nisip natin, hindi ko kaya mag-save. Pero kahit mga maliliit na amount, subukan mo sa maliliit na amount, and eventually you increase it. And before you know it, na pala yung disiplina mo sa pagsisave talagang stable na, 'di ba? Okay, sa relationship meron ditong deception and game over. So, yeah, some of you may be ending a relationship na merong trust issues, no? Maaring itong person na to that you are dealing with hindi naging totoo sa'yo. You may be cutting them off your life or ending your relationship sa kanila. This can be a romantic relationship, pwede rin tong sa business partnership, sa family, or sa friendship. Anumang close connection ito. Uy, wow, this is really a good news. Good fortune coming in sa inyo, Aquarius. Unsettled times, need to plan ahead. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na kailangan kayo ay nagpaplano, no? Lalo na sa inyong finances, you have more savings kasi you'll never know kung ano yung mga kailangan mong paggamitan. Okay, wait lang. And then merong lumipad na card, sabi rito, you will be shown the way. Ayan. So I think ito yung solusyon, no, sa mga challenges mo. You will get clarity. Oo, na malalaman mo kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. So, don't worry and be open sa mga ideas. Kasi you'll never know na yun na pala yung solusyon sa problema mo. Universe, we're all just stardust. So, ibig sabihin nito, napakalawak ng universe. Minsan, parang medyo parang nagiging mataas yung pagtingin natin sa sarili natin. Nakakaalimutan natin na isa lang tayong maliit na alikabok pag ikukumpara sa universe. So, this is talking about humility, pagpapakumbaba. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. Bye.